we're all back with another review, a remote control car, and today I'm going to show you the details, but not how it works. So, see the front? When it works, it has batteries, and then the light comes on, and this is just plastic. The wheels are plastic. The wheels is rubber, and this is the touch screen, so you can just touch to move it, and it's really easy to control. You just move it back and forth, it makes that weird sound, and it looks like a race car with this thing, and it's from the New Bright, and really nice detail on it, and the thing says New Bright, and this was from Toys R Us, and let's just look at the details on the bottom. Take the screen out. See here, the back has these. Back, it has very nice details. It has the real car with the red thing on the back. It lights on when it tries to come back, and same as this one. When it's dark, your dad might turn the light on in the car, and you can win a race with this on another remote control car, but not the same. Just another remote control car that is not RC. I brought this from Toys R Us. You might buy it from another store, because it was from another store, and I bought this at Toys R Us, and there's one at Walmart if you want to buy it. So just look at the wheels here. Really cool how it spins. I really like this toy car. I had bought this 3 months ago on December, and on off switch. Batteries here, and the switch to open it and take it off, and the skull here, and the stripes here, and it says C6R, and these things here protect it to not come off, because it comes off every time you take it off. So, there. Have a great day. Please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you later.